Hi guys, I hope you're having a good week. I wanted to quickly come on here to talk about a recent purchase I've made. So for the last year, I've been using this Cradle made by Pico when servicing my locos. And the other night I was on eBay looking at what deals there were, what things there may be that I was interested in, and I stumbled across a multi-angle railway locomotive service cradle. I hadn't seen anything like this before, so I favorited it, and then I got offered a deal where it was a couple of pounds cheaper, and without thinking, I purchased it. Anyway, that's arrived today, and what I thought I'd do is I thought I'd put it on here and tell you about it, and then I'd go about building it and show you what it looks like, because you never know. You know, it might be the future. It looks awesome on the pictures, so I just want to give it a go. Obviously, there's nothing wrong with the Pico Cradle. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. It keeps your loco safe and it stops it from falling off. Before I got this cradle, my locos were at risk of falling off the workbench at all times. So, it was a lifesaver. But I thought I'd try something different. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to build it quickly. I'm hoping it's quickly anyway. And then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Well, there we are, guys. That didn't take too long at all. I put it together. To be honest, I'm quite impressed with the build quality. When it came in the post, it was really lightweight, and I was worried that you'd put something on it and it'd fall over. But actually, it's been made rather well. I'm really happy with it. There's a load of flexibility. So firstly, everything's movable, so you can loosen those things off, and you can make it as narrow or as wide as you want. So you can put small locals in there, large locals with tenders. It'll accommodate both, so that's good. What you've also got is this ability then to, firstly, you can determine how wide you want the void to be between the two claws, and then you can fix that in place. Again, it's just a screw. And then you can also decide if you want it tilting or not. So you can have it so it's flat. Alternatively, you can have it so it's facing towards you on an angle like that, which I really like. It saves you having to lean right over, I suppose. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just get a couple of locos. Once I've stopped, I thought I'd finished building this, but turns out I haven't because I didn't screw it in properly. So let me just fix that one. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up just a little bit. Put it on so it's facing flat up. And let's find a loco. So, we've got the Royal Scot here, LMS, tender engine, and we can bring that closer together, and then we can obviously push that to where we want it to be, lock that in place. We can do the same on the other side as well. And now we've got our cradle, which we can then angle if we want to, or we can look at straight up. This is a loco that I decoded a couple of months ago. You can see I put the decoder there in the cabin, otherwise underneath the back there. But so you can do it for that size loco. Alternatively, you can put a tank engine VF on there. Maybe even make it a bit more narrow. Those tank engines. And you can then work on it like that. So overall, really happy. Let me know what you think to this cradle. You like the idea? Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed that. It wasn't supposed to be a long video. Just me showing you what I've been up to this week and the purchase that I've made. Bye, guys.